Enjoy spending time outdoors this summer with this natural shield of essential oil. Hi, I'm Katie and I love teaching people how to use essential oils, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Bug Fighter, our Insect Shield Essential Oil Blend. In this video, I'll tell you how to use this blend, how it works, and make sure you know how to use it safely. Bug Fighter Essential Oil is made up of Simply Earth essential oils that help repel insects. It's made up of patchouli, cedar wood. Have you ever heard of a cedar chest? Well, they're made out of cedar wood because they naturally help repel insects and keep your clothing safe. Lemongrass essential oil, which has that classic insect repellent smell because it is so good at deterring insects. These essential oils come together to create an aroma that mosquitoes don't like, and it will help keep them away from you. Here's some fun ways to use Bug Fighter Essential Oil Blend. Put it on your diffuser while you're hanging out outside to help keep an aromatic area that keeps insects at bay. You can try it in a roll-on and apply it to your wrist for a natural repellent to use on a hike. You can use it in one of our DIY candle recipes to keep on your porch or patio to keep insects at bay, and you can enjoy a nice summer evening. Let's make sure you know how to use this Bug Fighter blend safely. We recommend using this blend with kids ages 10 and up. It's unlikely to be irritating to your skin, but always dilute an essential oil before putting it on your skin. Your cat may be sensitive to oils in this blend, so use caution before using it around a cat, but this blend should not affect dogs. Whenever you're using essential oils around a pet, be sure to introduce him to it slowly. Keep the cap on, let your pet smell it and see how they react. If it's a negative reaction, don't use the blend around them. If they seem intrigued or interested in the blend, that's kind of a way for your pet to give the okay that you can use this blend and it won't bother them. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Katie. Remember to hit subscribe to gain more confidence and clarity using essential oils.